a whole host of stocks in focus, but the dollar index, that too continues to remain in focus because it is on a downturn and it has now slipped below its 100 level. Waning investor confidence amid tariffs, raising recession fears is likely denting the index. Sharad is now joining us to fill us in with more details. Sharad, what are the factors which is leading to the downturn in the dollar index?
Well, a very significant number it is when it comes to the 100, when it's dollar index. Now, looking at the downtrend, the lifetime highs was 1984. That's a big aberration and a big history chapter. But 2025 highs, that is important, 110. And see the destruction which has happened. It's gone past, or you could say gone below the 99 levels, a record low happening in the global financial crisis. Now, the significance of dollar index is when it keeps on falling, it gives an indication that the emerging markets are expected to perform better and they'll have a, you could say, an inverse relation proportion. Now, let's see how the history has pointed out. You could see Black Monday, it was 86, job creation coming at 81, global financial crisis 71. But the recent ones, Trump's first tariff 1.0, it went down as low as 96. So still there is a gap. Current levels it's 98 and it's on a downward trajectory coming in at roughly 97, 96. These are the levels which some experts have stated. But the benefit happens is overall it's looking at is of course for the emerging markets, and you can see how the dollar index and its constituents happen. So the dollar index almost 58% is given to the euro, and apart from that the major currencies are there which would be in focus, such as the pound sterling, Canadian dollar, Swedish krona, Swiss franc and Japanese yen making it to the list. So this is the entire picture for the dollar index, how it's actually constituted, the relevance of it, and especially for emerging markets and India. And historically, I must suggest that whenever these movements happen, India does much better than emerging markets when this dollar index falls happen. So that's an important number to look out for.
That's quite a fall for the dollar index, and those are the factors that are aiding the move. Sharad, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.